Patrick Swayze. Golden Globe-nominated actor Patrick Swayze starred in such popular films as Dirty Dancing and Ghost. Born in 1952 in Houston, Texas, Patrick Swayze began his career as a dancer before finding success on Broadway. After early films like The Outsiders, he enjoyed a breakout as the sexy star of Dirty Dancing. Swayze followed with the smash hit Ghost, along with memorable roles in Point Break and To Wong Foo, Thanks for Everything. Julie Newmar. Diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in 2008, the actor passed away the following year at age 57. Patrick Wayne Swayze was born on August 18, 1952, in Houston, Texas. He and his 4 siblings were raised by parents Patsy and Jesse Swayze. Swayze's mother, director of the Houston Jazz Ballet Company, introduced her son to dance at an early age. While still in grade school, Swayze developed a love for ballet and was often teased by fellow classmates. Throughout high school, he set aside his dance career to concentrate on athletics like gymnastics, swimming and football. After graduation, he was offered both athletic and dance scholarships. Swayze opted for athletics and enrolled at San Jacinto College in Houston, Texas, where he focused on gymnastics. 2 years later, he left school to tour with the Disney on Parade Ice show, as Snow White's Prince Charming. In 1972, Swayze traveled to New York City to pursue a dance career. He began training with the Harkness and Joffrey Ballet Companies, and was soon hired as a principal dancer with the Elliott Feld Ballet Company. However, his success was cut short when an old football injury required that he undergo knee surgery. The operation, coupled with the infection that followed, caused Swayze to leave the prestigious Feld Company. In 1976, Swayze redirected his efforts towards stage acting and made his Broadway debut in Good Time Charlie. He later appeared in West Side Story, and in 1978, he won the leading role in the musical Grease. Swayze's high-profile performance as Danny Zuko led to many television and movie offers. Swayze's stage success brought him to Hollywood, where he made his film debut as a vigilante roller skater in Skatetown, USA. He added television to his repertoire in 1981 with a notable portrayal of a leukemia patient on M*ASH, before enjoying a breakout screen role in Francis Ford Coppola's The Outsiders, alongside Tom Cruise, Matt Dillon and Emilio Estevez.